right, so. Cannoli! My head hurts. Shut it. I'm trying to hold this without stop recording. Okay. So, see? Coffee. Fresh ground coffee. Can't function right now. Let me get this going. I fell asleep and slept all night long. Oh. Just by eating right, weight has just been falling off. And I'm officially, quickly, very quick. That shows how I was eating bad before. 10 pounds. Officially 10 pounds. But I can lose weight really quick right away at first. And then it slows down. So, but that just shows you just by eating better. And I even had bread last night, but it was flaxseed. I mean, I made a better choice. So, oh, turn this coffee on, man. I got it to go. Yes. Oh gosh, you know what I should do? Don't mind my missing nails. You guys know what I should do. I should. Let's see. I don't want it to ruin my no, I was going to be brave and do this. I'm not. Because you know what? I don't want it to ruin my coffee. Cannoli! But I also, in the midst of sleeping all night, which is a good thing, slept one way all night, have a kink in my neck. Yeah. I need a kink in my neck. Un momento, guys. One pawn. Wake up. Wake up. Mukbang Nana. I don't know why that makes me happy. Okay, so just taking stuff from my house. Let me put my coffee over here. Just taking stuff from around my house, from one room to the other. I revamped it in here. Or I bought some new frames. And in the new frames, they had like little sayings. Like here. So I took those off and put them right there. Free. Totally free. So what I'm going to do is go to the 99-cent store. And on this frame, on this picture, I'm going to get a black frame. And I'm going to put it just the frame. Take the mirror out, everything, just the frame. I'm going to put that around this one, the black frame. And on this one, I'm going to put the white frame. $2. Bada bing, bada bang. I already showed you guys this here, but I added some different flowers. I just put some cutting boards over here. I took this out of my bathroom and put it here, so kind of, well, you don't want to see all this, but so I did that and kind of clustered it together here. I took a loaf pan, so I have the loaf pan for like my sponges and the little stopper. So and that was free. Not a good multitasker. Hold on, let's see if I can put you up here without stopping. I have a way of changing this around and then stopping the camera. All right, so 10 pounds. So I was really excited how that turned out. Another egg white. Oh, hear that coffee? All right. A little bit of garlic salt. See that? It's Italian ninja towel flipping skills. Don't you love when you go in the fridge and you forgot what you're getting? Oh. Buy these things for like $2. And then you can put your meats, cheeses, veggies, and everything has its own place. Right now I have my laughing cows, which I'll take one out. Got some string cheese, some butter. Keeps your fridge organized. So how about that? I need my toast done. No, I don't. I got my lavender bread. I wanted the English muffin. Not gonna happen. I gotta go. I don't want to dirty a plate. These are my, don't mess up my kitchen. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That could have ended badly though. I don't have time for mess ups here. I got to go. Okay, lavish. So why did I bring the sour cream out? I'm telling you. It's my last one and it's broken. Oh no, I got it. I have a way of putting these two pieces together. Making one burrito. Okay, so that is done. Put sour cream back. I do when coffee's in my facial. Dang it. That's alright, I'm gonna use it anyways. Don't care. Yes. Really? Okay. Don't want to see that. It's alright though. Heat this bad boy up. Keep an eye on it this time. This is gonna be a sad breakfast. Sad, sad, sad. I don't even know what time it is. I gotta go. I better not end up with a headache tonight. I know when my head feels like this, I am prone to getting headaches. My nerve endings are still coming back from the wreck. Yesterday I thought I had a spider biting me. No, it was just my nerve endings. Sad, sad breakfast. But low carb. Greato. Wow. The thing about lavish bread cooking on the stove, like, falls apart like a marshmallow. Okay, I definitely need some dipping sauce because how about we go for low-cal cilantro dressing, which might not taste good with this, but say our prayers. Amen. 10 pounds, guys. I'm so excited. That does taste good. Even burnt. Even burnt, that gave it a tangy tang tang tang. Yeah. I can go for that. It gives it a nutty flavor. Wow. I was just gonna suck it up and eat it, not waste it. A lot of people are asking me what Ezekiel bread is. It's all natural. It's sprouted grain bread. Ezekiel 4:9. Take also unto the wheat and barley and beans and lentils, millet, am I saying that right? And spelt, and put them in one vessel and make bread of it. Ezekiel 4:9. Complete protein. So I have to keep it in the freezer. I take it out as needed. But that's Ezekiel bread. Doesn't have all the extra crap you don't need. Jesus bread. Millet. Millet? Is that what they call that fish? Millet? Gotta go, guys. It's gonna be 15 minutes right now. All right, love you guys. Toodle noodles, 10 pounds. Woo woo. I can't wait for 3 months and see where I'm at. Toodle noodles, hasta pasta, later gator. You can think it, you can do it. Yep. Don't let nobody poop on your day. Keep going forward. You got this. You own it. Just do it. Love you. Toodle noodles, hasta pasta, later gator. Bye.